Quartz Carpet training, closing that competency gap. It's all happening over there. We're going to get into it.
Can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand in mine. Follow me. Let me waste your time.
Doli, I'm a total ignoramus when it comes to this kind of stuff. You are the professional. Like, why is this stuff so exciting? Like, what is Quartz Carpet? Just like for the people who don't know what Quartz Carpet is.
Sure. It's a naturally tumbled stone. I think it's very unique. There's not a lot of products in South Africa that are like Quartz Carpets. The different areas that you can use it in the house, the safety aspects that come with the floor.
Safety aspects?
Yes. So around a swimming pool, it's a non-slip floor. In a bathroom, it's a non-slip. Up ramps, it's a non-slip. Basically, anywhere you do put the floor, it's a non-slip application in that area.
That's a fantastic. But I've seen like it goes from outside to inside, and like in South African conditions, can it handle that?
It can. We've developed binders. We work very closely with some resin companies to develop the binders, so it can. There is a UV system for our climate and so on, and there's an epoxy internal system that we do use. So. We have worked a lot on those binders and so on. We failed along the way, but we've learned on how to for our conditions and so on.
So, like a sub story under the story of today is I'm talking about the competency gap of where we go, and maybe we are a specialist within a field or we have a certain product, but we're kind of stretching out and we're exploring how to take it to the next level. For me, I'm like laminates, vinyls, engineered and solids, but I'm exploring Quartz Carpet today. So that's what I mean by the competency gap. So you're saying that you're exploring this type of system and you're taking it further.
You know, we over the years, when Jeremy started the company 15 years ago, they had to learn on what binders to use externally and internally and so on. So there has been we've evolved. We've evolved, yes, over the years, and we keep learning every single time. We're always trying to give binders that are at the highest standards for our clients and so on. So we never stop trying to develop to make it better every single time.
Because South Africa is quite unique, you know, compared to these products that maybe originate in Europe. South Africa is like very different. Our UV, our high exposure to the outdoors, it's like really aggressive. Exactly. So what you're saying is that you've developed this product for us.
Definitely, for sub-Saharan Africa, we've developed this Quartz Carpet system.
Fantastic. So Quartz Carpet, it's available nationally through you guys?
It's available nationally through us and through our applicators. We are solely suppliers of the product, and we've got applicators around the whole country. And we can also, you can email us and we can find someone that is close to you to be able to assist in the installation of the Quartz Carpet.
Fantastic. So there's two things that I want to tackle. First of all, all the details will be below in the comments, but there's a bit of training going on in the background, and that's like a really important component of you and your 100%. Business. Tell us a little bit more about that, because not anybody can actually apply this. You have to go through a little bit of training.
100%. Yeah. Everyone in the flooring business, if they're doing screeds and all this, they all think they can handle a trowel and put down Quartz Carpet. But
that competency gap.
Exactly. So it is a very tricky system to apply. So that's why we've made it that not anyone can just come and purchase a product. We've had so many people that have been in the flooring industry for 20, 30 years, and they honestly think that they can just pick it up as they go. But it's not. It's very skillful. It's intake.
tricks of the trade.
Yeah.
It's like there's particular points that they have to apply with your product.
100%.
And like I've been super excited about this training. This training has really been really informative, and it's really pushed me. And like you're doing skills development at like grassroots kind of level,
100%.
and you're creating like new craftsmen within your field.
The guys go away, and as we adding to other people's stables for their flooring industries kind of thing, we're adding to, and guys leave here with another skill that they can add to their arsenal in their flooring.
Fantastic. So we've got a couple of your customers that are here, and they do from various things, or painting or building, etc. But now they're getting certified as a Quartz Carpet installer.
That's correct.
I love this. I love this training. Let's go back. I need to go and check some more. I don't want to lose out.
Acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me home. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me. So put your hand in mine, follow me, let me waste your time. Say la vie, do some stupid shit. Take a seat, let me waste your time. Say la vie.
Quartz Carpet are an international brand of quartz alluvial stone that has been filtered and sized and colored, and has been combined with various epoxies to be able to create a floor type or a wall coating that feels like no other I've ever felt before, where it takes on the temperature of the natural environment. It feels beautiful underfoot. It's almost like a soft, slightly reflexology, like a little bit of like a foot massage, but in a beautiful, soft way. It really needs to be experienced. And with all the different colors and going into metallics and soft pastels, there's all sorts of different colors that they have available. And the range is just like expanding, and I love it. I love it. For somebody who's never been exposed to this type of technology or installation methodology, this is something to really consider. Now, it's something that's totally different to what I'm used to. I deal in natural fibers, plastics, SPC, LVTs, laminates, engineered, solid woods, but getting into the understanding of how this product is actually created and its antimicrobial properties, this is something that really needs to be considered for various environments, like around the pool, high foot traffic, wet rooms, feature walls. This stuff is really, really, really beautiful. And I'm really glad that I saw Jeremy's advert on Facebook for skills development and a free training course. And I attended because it blew my mind. And my competency gap has narrowed. Oh, this is addictive. Just playing with these stones. Jeremy and his team have delivered an excellent training regime of where anybody who wants to install this product has to go through their training program. And I can say they deliver on excellence from the theory all the way through to an extensive practical program. Sub-Saharan Africa, Jeremy and his team, you've done a good job and you've got a great product. Thank you for having me at your training workshop. Quartz Carpet, beautiful alluvial stone. 1 or 2 stones, don't make much of a difference. Put a whole lot together, now you're talking. Same thing with Bang Squat. Join the party, make a difference.
Top of